Hi, let's talk about chia seeds. Chia is high in antioxidants, minerals, fibers, and omega 3 fatty acids. It was a staple in the ancient Aztec and Maya diet. And let's now talk about the nutrition of chia seeds. It's highly rich in omega 3 fatty acids, iron, calcium, and antioxidants. It's also gluten free. Why should one consume chia seeds, you ask? It's good for bone health as it is rich in calcium. Due to the presence of high fiber, it may help in weight loss. It also helps improve sleep quality. Due to the presence of high fiber, it may reduce spike in blood sugar. And also helps boost energy and metabolism as it's packed with iron, magnesium, and zinc. The best way to consume chia is to first remember to soak it before consumption. We can add it to pancakes, waffles, or chia gel to smoothies before your workouts, on salad dressings, chia pudding, in breads, chia drinks to beat the summer heat, or yummy popsicles for children's treats. And also chia jam to make your breakfast more healthier. Chia sprouts. How much chia to consume? About 1.5 tablespoons is generally advised. The side effects of chia seeds: bloated stomach, abdominal pain, functional constipation. Here is a quick chia pudding recipe you have to try. The ingredients are as follows: almond milk, chia seeds, some honey to make it sweet, berries, add 3 to 4 tablespoons of chia to a jar, a cup of milk, mix it up and make sure it is thick. Otherwise, add more chia and refrigerate it for a few hours. Serving: add a splash of color using berries, kiwi, or any fruit of your choice. Now, you can also try this with mango, banana and muesli, blueberry and cream, Thank you for watching. You can reach us at All Cure Health and Beauty on Instagram or Facebook.